Welcome to Technology Channel International. In this video, you will learn to create image using AI. So let's begin. First of all, let's see what are the website available to us to generate image. Okay, I'll go to useful AI tools. Number one is ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you just go to chatgpt.com and you can ask to generate image. Okay, create image for create image where students are learning online from instructor. Okay, I'll just hit enter and it will start generating some image. And you can also go to other website like uh, this one gemini.com. This is also good to generate image. I'll ask same question to here also. Okay. Here is the image. You can download this image. You can also say create full HD. Okay, create full HD image where students are learning online from instructor. Okay, here is the Gemini version. Okay, and one interesting image generator is Grok. You can also use this one. Okay, just to go to this website. I think you also need to sign in to your X account, Twitter account. Okay, now let me ask something. Okay, for this I'll say uh, create this Gork or Grok. This generate image of a person also. Create a image of Elon Musk meeting with Sam Altman. Okay, I'll just hit enter and it will generate image. Okay, let's see. Here you can see this group can generate image of a person. This is very interesting thing. Wow, I like it. Okay, please use it for good purpose. Okay, there are other website also. This is as full HD image. Okay, here you can see this is a nice image. I like it. Wow, nice. And this is also nice. This is also nice. And you can also use other image generators such as you can use Midjourney. Okay, you can use Midjourney AI. This is also a website from which you can generate image. And for the basic thing you can use this website ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos on AI, then subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next video. See you. Thank you.